Electric field lines. It is the path followed by unit positive discharge and placed in the electric field is called electric field lines. Properties. Electric field lines are continuous curves without any break. Electric field lines is outward for positive charge and inward for negative charge. Electric field line starts from positive charge and ends on negative charge, hence they do not form a closed loop. The direction of electric field at any point is given by tangent to electric field line at that point. No two electric field lines can cross each other. The point of interaction there would be two tangents, that is two directions of electric field, which is not possible. Relative closeness between electric field lines gives the measure of electric field strength. The electric field inside the conductor is zero. The electric field is always perpendicular to the surface of conductor. If electric field not perpendicular, it would have a component along the surface which is not perpendicular. Area vector. The direction of area vector is given by normal to the area. Area is a vector quantity. Electric flux, it is defined as the number of electric field lines passing the surface normally. Gauss theorem. The total electric flux across any closed surface in an electric field equals 4 pi times the electric charge enclosed by it. Gaussian surface. It is an hypothetical surface that enclosed whole charge symmetrically.